Woo, that feels good, everyone. Nice and breezy. A little bit of warmth, a little bit of nip from the air. Perfect. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review, and today I am reviewing the OneTigris folding chair. This is a product which you all have seen many times here on the channel. I've been using this for many months, in addition to the OneTigris folding table. My review on that is coming up very soon. The chair and the table are two products that I've received countless emails and messages about, and that is one reason why I'm getting this done now, so I can get that information out there for you all. So here it is. This is the Multicam OneTigris folding chair, and we might as well begin by focusing on the storage bag. This is made from 500D Cordura nylon, and the dimensions are 13.7 inches long by 4.7 inches wide. And the bag itself features one central zip, two loops to assist with closing, and on the back side you have some moly webbing. Talking about the storage bag here for a second, the quality is very good. There were a few loose threads when I received it, but all in all, very good quality. My biggest problem with the storage bag is that it is very small. It's a very tight fit for the chair. This is the back and also the seat, and this is the frame, this is the storage bag. Putting this together is super simple. You have the two long beams, that's the back. The two shorties, which jut out in front, that's the bottom. You have two legs, very simple design. The top of the back has a piece of Velcro. And you have two sleeves, which go over the poles. And just like that, you're done. The seat is ready to go. When it comes to sitting in the OneTigris folding chair, it is very comfortable. It's also very sturdy. At no point in time does this feel unstable. The overall quality of this chair is very good. The seam work, the stitching, everything here is top notch. The materials, they're not cheap. This is 500D Cordura, US licensed Multicam camo pattern. I have used this chair all over North Carolina in a wide variety of situations, conditions, and so on. In the snow, in the ice, in the rain, in the warm sun. It looks good, it's comfortable as I mentioned before, but it's not perfect. It's not perfect. There is room for improvement with this product, and we might as well talk about that right now. First off, this chair does have side pockets. There's one on each side, but it is a very tight pocket. So tight, in fact, that you could barely get your hand in there, right? And in truth, there's not much room. These pockets, in my opinion, are not very good. I would like to see them being much bigger than this. You can access them when you're in the chair. It's not super easy to do because they're so tight. Essentially, the material of the pocket is right up against the material of the chair. The next improvement that I have for this chair would assist with the setup process and make it easier. You could take some Cordura loops and put them on the end or either on the top, it really doesn't matter. Because there's no loops or pull tabs or anything like that, it can take a little bit of work to pull this and to pull it over the pole. The pull tab would make this much easier. Those two alterations could make this product a better product. And with that being said, let's continue on with the review and let's talk about dimensions. The back of the chair is roughly 26.5 inches high. The lowest point for where you're sitting is right at 11 inches. The edge here, which goes on the back of your legs, 12 3/4 inches. The width of the chair is right at 20 inches. As I mentioned before, this is made from Cordura. The frame is 70/75 aluminum, and the chair itself features a 264-pound weight capacity. And the overall weight of this chair is 2.2 pounds. And with that being said, everyone, we've gone over the features, stats, and so on. Let's jump to the review, starting with the pros. Some of these points I've already mentioned. That's okay, I will be quick. First off, excellent quality. The materials are excellent. They're robust, they are strong. This chair is easy to set up. It could be easier, but it's not bad. It's also easy to break down. It's comfortable. I like the looks of this chair. I like the camo pattern. Also, it works well in a wide variety of locations, including in the back of the truck, inside of a tent, out here in the forest, and so on. The chair features a good weight limit. Also, this chair has a good height to it. It will work for short individuals like myself or tall individuals. When it comes to the cons, as mentioned before, some things could be improved, such as the side pockets. There could also be pull tabs to go over the poles. Let's see, the storage bag is a little bit small. You can get the chair in there, but it takes some work. Personally, I want a storage bag that's a little bit bigger, so I can break this down, fold it up, put it in there, zip it. I don't want to fool with it. I don't want to waste time on it. With this storage bag, you have to waste just a little bit of time. That can be improved. It does not have to be that way. And that brings me to the biggest con for this product, and that is price. This chair runs $70 from the OneTigris website. I did not see this being listed on Amazon at the time of filming. $70 for this chair is pricey. It is. The design of this chair is not unique by any means. This is a design that many companies offer. And in fact, you could pick up a chair just like this from other companies for about 20 bucks. For 20 bucks. Now, for that $20, you are not getting the Multicam, you're not getting Cordura. The materials are of a lesser quality, but yet they're still strong. There's no doubt about that. I have less expensive chairs, such as the Sportneer chairs. Very good quality, good weight limits. They are worth a purchase as well. Ultimately, it depends on your preference. What do you like? Do you like the looks of this chair? Are you willing to pay for the better materials? In my opinion, this is the product that will last longer than the others. 500D Cordura is very good stuff. It's very strong. It's very robust. And all in all, I like this chair a lot. I really do. In my opinion, it is worth a purchase if you're looking for a chair, but do keep in mind, folks, that you can find cheaper versions of this chair out there. At the same time, you can also find more expensive versions of this chair. Let's see, I can't remember the name of it right off the bat. I was looking at it last night. But there's another version of this chair that's over $120. So, yeah. I really do wish that they could lower the price of this chair. To me, like 50 bucks would be the sweet spot. $70, it is a lot of money. It is. All in all, this is a good product. Some improvements could be made. And for my review, that's it. And now, folks, it is your time to comment down below and to share your thoughts about the OneTigris folding chair. What do you all think about this? I hope I haven't called this thing a table. I've had the folding table on my mind for the last couple of days. Again, my review is coming up, so I may have called this a table once or twice. Oops, sorry about that. What do you all think about my review? Make sure to comment down below. Something to keep in mind, folks, is that you don't have to agree with me on the channel. That's not what it's all about. I'm here to share my thoughts, my opinions with you all, to give you all the best information possible so that you can go out and spend your money wisely. That's it. I have no other agenda. So if you agree with me, great. If you don't, comment down below. It is appreciated. I want to wish everybody well. Take care, strength and honor. I will see you all around soon. Bye, everybody.